Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Who's that? Who's behind mommy? Um, if you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making a nut-free pesto with basil. I have a nut allergy, so I don't use any nuts in this just because obviously I cannot. I love this. I keep it on hand, actually in the freezer. I freeze it in ice cube trays, and then I keep it in a Ziploc baggie. And throughout the colder months, I just pop it into my pasta once I cook it, and it defrosts and just is fantastic and fresh. So you can keep it in the fridge for a couple of days, but if you aren't going to use it, definitely keep it in the freezer. I will write everything down in the recipe. So if you head to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen, I'll give you all the instructions. But either way, here is a delicious basil nut-free pesto.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no,